Hi you guys, my name is Barb. I'm out here at Guaranty RV. Hey, you know what? It's camping time. And I have a lot of customers that come in and they are just limited with what they can tow. They want a little and a lot, and this is the way to go. It's a tent trailer. So these tent trailers are super light. They can be hauled with almost anything. What I'm going to show you today is the 231 BG, which has a lot of stuff in it, more than you would even guess by walking around. But we're going to do a quick walk around. Just going to come down here. I'm going to show you that you do have the you've got a flushing system, an AC prep, an outside shower. This is a little slide, and you'll see that on the way back. It's a little spot right here. These are really super easy to set up. I mean, to get this thing already rocking and rolling at less than 10 minutes. You can tow it, you can see behind the RV. You got a spare tire here. So this is a Rockwood Freedom. And in these units, they've started doing some really neat stuff. So they got some Wi-Fi boosters, and they've got outside grills and heavy plastic and screens, and just getting better and better and better. You know what? This top comes up electronically. It's operated on a battery actually, and you push a button and the whole thing lifts up for you. And it has an extended warranty that can't be beat. I don't want to give you an exact year, but when you come out here, we'll take a look at the book. A girl's gonna go here. You've got access to the gas here, so outside outlets, you have water fill. And then we're gonna go into, hey, did you notice this? That right underneath here, just like on a hard-sided trailer, you've got an LED light and an awning that's gonna come out here and protect you from the sun and the rain, which is awesome. So let's take a peek. So this is what I'm talking about. This is a heck of a lot of trailer. It really is. I bet if I took a measuring tape, it would be, I don't know, maybe 20-something feet. And I won't say that I'm the best measurer in the whole world, but it's a good sized rig. There's enough for a family in here. You've got a nice bed back here, and some people don't realize that these beds are electric beds. It's just like having an electric blanket. You just plug it in, and the cushion warms up for you very nicely. I have a bunch of stuff piled here, and one of the things that I have sitting here is the other half of the door, so you can make it solid. Now you got an outside gas grill that's included. This little table that's going to go out there on the rail. It really makes it nice for some outside grilling, and also you can cook in here. It isn't you're not stuck cooking out in the wind and the rain by any means. Take a look at this. Right here you have a 3-burner stove. That's the same size stove that you're going to find in an average trailer, maybe even a motorhome. Some place to store a few things. You know, hot and cold running water. This sink drains down into a holding tank, so you are able to dispose of the waste. You got a nice little refrigerator down here, and I'll pop that open for you. Another outlet, some storage, a place to put a few things in here. And I think, I'm not positive, but I'm pretty darn sure that this is a king bed. So here's the mechanism. You just plug this into the bed, plug it into the outlet, and now you got a heated bed, which is super nice, really comfy. You got a little stowaway thing right here and another one there. And I do want to point out, we're having kind of a crummy day here today. So it's really nice when you have that hard plastic to protect you. And a few curtains, some privacy curtains. So these don't run. They aren't very expensive at all. I mean, they are very cost worthy. You can get into these things for less than what it would cost you one night in a hotel room, and it's going to sleep at least 2 here, another couple there, another couple there. So I'm guessing that they are advertising that this is going to sleep 8, and it would do it, no problem. It also has a bathroom. So surprise, surprise. Now you've got a bath and a shower. No going out to the outhouse to have to use the restroom. It's got a privacy curtain that comes around here and a little bit of lighting. I imagine if you're watching this video on these fold-up tent trailers, you're watching this video because you're interested in them. The best service I can give you is to come out to this dealership, come into this. Right now it's raining here today. Here's this hard plastic like I'm talking about. It's nice. I can see everything that's going on. I'm not getting wet at all. But it's up to you guys. come out and see me. My name is Barbara. The guys call me Barbara D at Guaranty, or Babs, and you know, people can fiddle around with the Barb name really easy. Where's Ken and all that other stuff. But my phone number is 541-521-4232. Give me a buzz. We can talk about it on the phone. You can come out and take a look at it. I can answer any questions, and I'd love to help you. So call me. I'm at 541-521-4232. Thanks so much.